how to remove email from Roblox account. So here's what we want to do. We want to open up the Roblox application on our phone. We're going to click on more here and we will just go into settings. So here from the settings, if I click on account info, you will be able to see email address right here. And I can just click on the pencil icon, but it's going to say you must disable parent pin in the parental controls. All right, so we're just going to do that. So we're going to go into parental controls here. We will disable the pin. It's going to ask me for the pin. So I'll just do okay like this and unlock. Okay, so once I have done this, it's a little bit laggy right now, but I'm just gonna repeat this process, I guess. Okay, so verify. I'm gonna do my Face ID. All right, finally, it's turned off. Now if we go into account info here, we can edit the email address. The account email will not change until the new email address has been verified. So here you will have to type out a new email address, which we can confirm that we actually have access to. And if you confirm and verify your ownership of the email address, this is going to remove your previous email from this account and the new one will be used. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.